Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2022 Nissan Juke 1.6 Premier 2-wheel drive hybrid. This vehicle is fully automatic. This vehicle is a Nissan approved used car, which means you get a minimum of 12 months manufacturer approved warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover and a multi-point inspection by our Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let me show you around the car. Coming down to the front, we have LED headlights, LED fog lights, and front parking sensors. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel, and round to the side. This vehicle also comes with rear privacy glass. Coming down to the passenger side rear wheel, and round to the back. Where we have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Let's take a look inside the boot. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Full leather interior with white stitching. USB charging port. Let's take a look inside the front. Again, full leather interior with white stitching. Infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Climate controls. Drive selector. And electronic park brake. Coming down to the driver's side front wheel. And back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.